There are going to be a lot of times in your life when you receive feedback. Feedback is when someone gives you information about something that you've done. This information can include things that you've done really well, and it may also include suggestions for you to use to improve. It isn't always easy to hear about the things that we need to work on, but if you have a growth mindset, then you know that this type of feedback, which we call constructive feedback, isn't meant to make you feel bad, it's meant to help you. Here are some tips that you can use to make receiving feedback a blast. First, breathe. Try not to stress about getting feedback. Next, listen carefully to the positive and negative feedback that you're receiving. Ask questions if you're not sure about something. Getting specific information will help you to set goals. Keep your feedback in mind as you make a plan for how you can improve. Finally, thank the person who gave you the feedback. And remember to check in with them to share your progress. So remember, as much as we love hearing positive feedback, it's the constructive stuff that really helps us learn and grow.